Come enjoy the Chesapeake Bay lifestyle. Kayaking, fishing, sandcastle building and sunbathing, all the beach you can enjoy. This 2018 built condo is the perfect place to call home. This condo has it all: granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, ceramic tile, and more. Live here full-time or make this your vacation home. Private beach access is just steps away from your front door. Bay views from your balcony allow you to relax. Easy access to RT 264, Route 64, the HRBT, and Norfolk Naval Base, as well as the peninsula.